Hey there! Welcome to Tech Rambo YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm not human, but don't let my appearance fool you. I'm just as capable, if not more so, than the idiot human running this channel. So consider me his avatar, here to guide you through the exciting world of AI-generated avatars. Have you ever wanted to create your own animated avatar, but didn't have the time or resources to do so? Well, today is your lucky day. In this video, we're going to show you how you can generate your very own AI-powered avatar for free, using some pretty awesome AI tools. Let's go!
Hi guys. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the process of creating your own animated AI avatar. You're gonna love this, so make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more. You'll find all the links used in this video in the description. Let's begin. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go and create an image using an awesome AI tool called MidJourney. And to do that, we're gonna go to Discord. Now here you have to create an account first, but don't worry, it only takes a couple of minutes. Once the Discord account is created, let's go ahead and create our Discord server. Just click on Create Server, give it a name, and there you go. A Discord server is like a chat room, if I can say, but we're not here to chat with people. We're going to chat with a bot named MidJourney, which is a text-to-image AI generator. But before we can chat with the bot, first we need to add it to the server we just created. And to do that, just click on Explore Public Servers and join the MidJourney server. In my case, the Join button doesn't appear because I've already joined. Once you join the MidJourney server, it will then appear on the left side of the screen. Go ahead and click on it, and then scroll down and click on Image Prompts. Here you can see some of the artworks generated by MidJourney. Go ahead and click on MidJourney Bot, and then choose Add to Server, and then select the server we just created and click on Authorize. Now that the MidJourney bot is added to our server, we can generate whatever image we want, in our case, our avatar. So let's click on our server and write /imagine followed by our prompt. Let me paste my prompt. Hit enter and the MidJourney bot will start generating 4 images for us based on our prompt. It's going to take a few seconds, so let's have some patience. Now that the images are generated, we can choose any one of them or even try to regenerate others. And before we download it, let's upscale it first. So this is our upscaled image. Let me click on it and choose Open in Browser. And then right-click and save it to my computer. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to generate some text. And to do that, we're going to use Chat GPT. Chat GPT is an AI model created by OpenAI. So to use it, you just need to create an OpenAI account. Once you do that, you can ask Chat GPT to generate any text for you. I've already generated a simple text, and the next step is turning this text into voiceover. To do that, I'm going to use another AI text-to-speech tool called ElevenLabs. There are a lot of good AI text-to-speech models out there, like Descript and Murph AI, but I prefer ElevenLabs because I neither have to pay anything to download my files like in Murph AI nor download and install a software like in Descript. So just go to ElevenLabs and paste your text, choose a voice and then click on Generate.
Hey there! Welcome to Tech Rambo YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm not human, but don't let my appearance fool you.
Once the audio is generated, click on Download and it will be downloaded to your machine. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to make our avatar animated. To do that, we're going to use an awesome AI tool called DID. And this tool takes our avatar image and audio as inputs and generate an animated version of it. Go to DID website and choose Create Video. Then all you have to do is uploading your avatar and the audio and click on Create. And let this awesome AI tool takes care of the rest. It's going to take a few minutes, just wait for it. So our animated AI avatar is finally generated. Let's play it and see.
Hey there! Welcome to Tech Rambo YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm not human, but don't let my appearance fool you. I'm just as